So there is a lots of science toys. There is a microscope for kids. These all things are. Oh, there is a balance. This look like lab balance. Okay, there is a skeleton. Okay, periodic table. There's a lot of things here. Interesting. The telescope. Oh, I love telescope. Let's see. Um, there are buyer. Ooh, how much zoom it can? How much? Okay, okay. Let's see. There is a, oh, it can show you moon. Wow, amazing. Good, good, good. Wow. Uh, I hope they can shift. Sorry, they can deliver it to India also. There's lots of things interesting. Wow, look at this. What is this? Solar robot? I think this is okay. There are toys. Wow, interesting. I think that's all I can show you in this video. What is it? They have scale model. Let's see scale. Oh, sorry. Scale model. Oh, let's click on it. Oh, they have lots of scale models. Wow, I love this. I love this website. Let's click first one. I love this one. Jeep. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at this. This looks very real. I hope someday I can buy this. Wow, look at this Jeep. Amazing. Scale model. They are very popular in Japan also. I'm going to show you Japanese website next time. Okay, what's this? Okay, police car. There's a, oh, this look like a, okay, Jeep old version. Okay, Harley Davidson we have here. Okay, piano. Let's search piano if I have piano. Okay, piano. Okay, piano. Oh, there is a piano, but they are for kids, not are for adults. So there is a, price is very expensive. 130. There's a, oh, there's a also tab with it. Wow. Let's see its buyer. We have, oh, they have, no. Okay, we have to attach separately this tab. This was good when we, okay, nothing. There is a cheap things here. That's on the video.